Hi everyone! In this part, the buggy will finally get on its wheels. As in the game, they will have different diameters. On the hind axle, there will stand of 14 inches diameter and in front of 13. I'll start with the rear wheels. To manufacture the wheel web, I need a stand. As a basis, I took a workbench and welded the pipe to it, on which the nave will be attached. I bought stamped discs. Next, I'll need a holder for the grinder. It will help to make smooth discs saw. I screw the mount to the reducer's cover. I'll make the joint from a connecting nut. I carefully sawed the disc rim. Now we need to saw the plate of 2.5 inches off the list. I bent the plate in a circle through the pipe. I compared the plate with the rim and welded it. I put the made-in-wide rim on the disc. I guess I happened to be lucky. I almost had no beating. After the final adjustment, I started to weld the disc. After the welding, I let the disc cool, ground down all the bumps inside and outside the disc. Just in case, I lubricated the seams with a silicone sealant. That's how I made 2 discs. Further, you will need to put rubber on the discs. I will try to put them on by myself. I tried to put it on with a clap. For this, I took the usual hairspray. It came out quite not from the first try. Now we can move on to the front wheels. In them, we need to swing the central insert round at 180 degrees. Before it, we should cut it off from the disc. I leveled the disc using the same method as with the modified discs. One can say that the truck is ready. It's not loaded and rides easily in the workshop. Even the suspension smooths the roughness a bit. Thanks everyone for your attention and support.